Hey everyone, Jennifer Butcher with the Butcher team, and today I'm going to talk to you about why you want to hire a local lender. Why should you, or should you? And I'm here to tell you that you should, because we're local and we think that you should call us. But there's good reasoning behind it. First of all, for me personally, if I'm handing over my financial documents, my social security number, all of my very important personal information, I like to know who I'm working with, and not just a voice over the phone. I like to see them face to face. And we like to meet with all of our customers, if possible, face to face, so that we can get to know you, and you, of course, get to know us. We want to earn your trust because, yes, we are looking at your private documentation, and we want to make sure that we earn your trust to do that. The second reason you want to work with a local lender is reputation. Now, we're in the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. It's a big metro area, but we've been doing this for close to 17 years. So as big of an area as it is, we've run across not everybody in the real estate business, but run across a lot of people. So when you're making that offer on the house, it's most likely that your agent, or even more importantly maybe, the listing agent on that house, has either seen our name, heard of us, or at least if they ask around their office, hey, have you ever worked with the Butcher team on a transaction? The answer is going to be, oh yes, they do a great job. So that's really important, especially like in this past year's environment where there's multiple offers on homes and they get an offer letter from an online lender versus a local lender. They're going to be tempted to go with the local lender. And I've heard this straight from real estate agents. They don't like online lenders because things can go wrong and they tend to disappear, where they usually have our cell phone number and they can track us down. So we're local, we're here to see you through the entire process, through the good and the difficult, and it looks good on paper when you're making an offer. And have a pre-approval letter with a local lender. It just gives strength to it. And the third reason you should use a local lender is because we understand the local market. And I have a perfect example of this that just happened this last month. It was a refinance transaction, but the appraisal on the property came in like $80,000 short of what we thought the value of the house was. What we thought the conservative value of the house was. So it wasn't just a little short, it was a lot short. I immediately looked at that appraisal, and it doesn't happen very often, but once in a while, we just get a bad appraisal. I looked at it and immediately knew it was just not a good report. They were using really old comps, but more importantly, the area of this particular home was in Minneapolis, and it was really close to the river. Now, we know as a local lender that you can move just a few blocks away and go from high-end, really nice homes to not even really feeling safe walking down the street. I mean, there's areas where it's that close, right? And the values change significantly. And the comparables this particular appraiser was using were just not comparable at all. Without a local set of eyes on that, an online lender probably would never have caught that. We were actually able to rebut that appraisal, and we got the value increased over $100,000 on our new report and got the deal done for that customer. So when you're choosing your lender to do your financing and looking at your personal documentation to get you qualified, choose us, your Butcher team, your local lender. We'd love to help you.